After reporting on chicken broth, I'll never buy the boxed stuff again. But don't worry, I'm not about to get up on my high horse and say it's homemade or bust. I love homemade broth. It's an elixir from the gods. I just don't always have it on hand. Our winning broth is a concentrate, better than bouillon, or BTB as I call it, and here's why I'm a devotee. Boxed liquid broths may seem like the higher quality option because they more closely resemble homemade, but they're not. Almost all commercial broths start out as a concentrate made by one manufacturer, International Dehydrated Foods. Companies purchase their base and some reconstitute it and sell it as a boxed broth. You're basically paying them to transport water. At 16 cents a cup, Better Than Bouillon is 7 times cheaper than the boxed broths we tasted. BTB also lasts way longer, 2 years in the refrigerator. Liquid broths keep for no more than 2 weeks once opened, and with a concentrate you can use only as much as you need, so say no more to throwing away old half boxes of broth, or was that just me? Now I buy 2 oversized BTB jars at a time at Costco, an heir and a spare as they say. The beef and veggie versions also aced our taste tests within their own categories. My verdict, homemade is best, but if I don't have any, it's BTB all the way.